Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect an EZHI to a Phylion battery and how to power it on. This is the battery cable. Insert one end of the cable into the battery's output port and connect the other end directly to the battery port of the EZHI. Once everything is installed, you can power on the system. Start by turning on the battery breaker. Then press the battery's power button. When the system starts correctly, the system, battery, and off-grid indicator lights will all turn green. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.